What's up YouTube? Welcome to another video. My name is Nick and it has been a while since I uploaded last. I want to say it's probably been 2 months, which is 2 months too long. And so I'm back here and I'm super pumped to be bringing this very short little update video for you, just to kind of let you know what has been in the mix. So for the past several months, I've been on this reselling journey, a journey to make $100,000 by the end of this year in just profit from buying people's stuff, like their junk and things they don't want, and flipping it on the internet to people that do want it. So it's been a totally exhilarating time. We're on track. We're doing very well. And so I kind of pulled back from YouTube a little bit so that I could really focus in and hone in on this craft to make it happen, and it is happening. I've been networking a lot with other resellers, and it got me thinking about a few things, and I'm gonna share those with you today. First off, I wanna say thank you so much for 800 subscribers. I think we're like at the 850 mark now, or right around there, and I'm so pumped that we achieved this. And it's all because you guys decide to click the subscribe button, and then of course you click that notification bell so that you're notified. Wow. So that you are notified when I upload. Yeah, if you haven't already, that would be super cool of you if you would hit the subscribe button and then that notification bell so that you will be notified when I upload. Got it. Okay, so one thing I'm super pumped about is to start an Instagram live series. It's gonna go live weekly, and depending on how it does on Instagram, I may kind of like do YouTube live at the same time. The series is gonna be called Flippin' the Stash, and so I got this idea from an Instagram follower who apparently loves my mustache, and they're like, you need to do a series, something with the stash, meaning like the stash, but also flipping the stash, S-T-A-S-H, like the stash of stuff that we get, and then like flipping your stash, meaning your money, flipping your money to make it right. So you get it. Series called Flipping the Stash. And then if you've been following me, you'll know I like to flip up the ends of my whatever. Okay. So I'm super pumped about that. Here's a little tidbit. I've never actually gone live on Instagram by myself. I have only done that with one other person who interviewed me through their Instagram live, and I was like totally shell-shocked when it was all over with, and I was like, I'm gonna wait on this for a while. So a while has ended. I'm gonna kick this thing off. I wanna make sure that I have some really good quality content for you guys, and then because I will be doing these Instagram live videos primarily by myself, I want to make sure that I incorporate a lot of the community, the reseller community, into the videos. And so I'll be doing a lot of interviews and then just like kick it sessions on Instagram live with other resellers, trying to get them recognized, get attention driven their way, as well as strengthening the community as a whole. Remember, even though we're all resellers and we're all selling on the same apps and websites, we're not competitors, because the market for what we're selling is so massive that a few resellers that are just hanging out, being friends and cool with each other, we're not even impacting the sales like that. So like whatever. My goal is to bring attention to other resellers and to foster like a harmony and like a closeness in the community. I hope that makes sense. Depending on how the lives go, we might branch out into sort of a podcast about Flip the Stash, but it'll be harder then because so much of what I plan to do is visual and showing what I'm doing. So we'll see how the podcast goes. Leona and I still are interested in doing a podcast from a married couple perspective, running, businesses, because we've done photography together, we've done flipping together, like reselling together, as well as raising a family, 3 little kiddos, and now homeschooling the oldest, who's 7 years old. It's been a huge transformation. It's been a huge leap into kind of the unknown. And so we are interested in still doing a podcast around that kind of thing, like entrepreneurship with a family, self-employed, like single income household kind of thing, because that's where we're at. Stay tuned for that. But mostly I just wanted to say huge thank you for 800 plus subscribers that we hit in the 2-month hiatus. Yeah, since I've been gone. Also, this coming Tuesday, so I think it's October 2nd or whatever Tuesday is, right around that, Renzi is gonna have me on their Renzi Live Marketplace to kind of kick me in the boot, to get my lives kickstarted, I guess. Like, they're gonna have me as an Instagram Live collaboration. So tune into that. That'll be 8 p.m. Eastern. If you're not already following me on Instagram, it's at Nicholas_Woolsey. If you are on my YouTube because of Instagram, super thank you. And maybe, like I said, hit that subscribe if you haven't already, and the notification bell. I'm gonna be bringing a lot of content in the coming days. I think the schedule I'm gonna stick to for YouTube is a Monday, Wednesday, Friday schedule, and they're gonna be like this. Very clean, pretty uncut, not very edited, so hopefully my mind is really wrapped around what I'm trying to say. And yeah, that's it. So thanks for tuning into this video, and I'll see you on Friday.